Alright, so I'm here with Bubba D.
Hey, what's going on?
Okay, let's try it again.
Yeah, I gotta say, hey, Bubba Dees here.
Mr. Bubba D, you saw my video the other day. What did you think?
It needed work. For a person who's just getting started with barbecuing, it was good. It wasn't bad. You did some sausages, and they taste good, right?
Can't go wrong with the taste.
Right. Your utensils was lack of options. You think you had a fork and a knife?
Sometimes when you don't got all the money, but you got the heart, you gotta just use what you got. You gotta use what you got.
It's true. There's the dollar store. They got some pretty good equipment.
Okay.
I don't think any of my equipment that I've actually have has cost over $5.
Okay. All right.
So I always tell everybody go to the dollar store.
So I gotta hit up the Dollarama.
Hit up Dollarama, Buckaroonie, or Buckshop, whatever. Whatever's local to you. They normally have a seasonal section for barbecue equipment. They're not the greatest. They don't last too long, but they definitely can help you out. So you don't burn yourself. Look like you got some, probably remove some of the hair on your knuckles.
Okay, so tell me about the grill that you're using. What is it?
Alright, so the grill that I'm using is by a company called Char Griller. I got the propane and the charcoal version of it, so it's a dual griller.
What's different between your barbecue, like my 149 barbecue, and your whatever barbecue you got?
I use the Char boiler. What it basically is it actually has propane, and then it also has charcoal. And it's a combination of both to give you both options whenever you like. So many times I've been out of propane when people are coming over, and you're like, oh, I gotta go pick up propane. Now with this, I have charcoal pretty much on standby all the time, and I prefer to use charcoal. It's a nicer way of cooking, in my opinion. It makes you really feel like you're barbecuing.
Let's do this with the peri-peri. Oh yeah.
Spicy garlic?
Spicy garlic. Let's do this.
Spicy garlic.
Let us do this. Don't worry, no food will be wasted here. We don't believe in wasting any food. All of it is going to be eaten or given to somebody to eat it.
De manhã que medo que me achasses feia, acordei tremendo deitada na areia, mas logo os teus olhos disseram que não.
Okay, now I'm feeling a kick. Just a little click.
I thought it was going to be painfully hot. It isn't.
You're still on that.
Yep.
Still on the peri-peri. Yeah, now I'm feeling it now. You know what? Our lighting lady, she wants him too. So you know. In Portugallo, I think you guys make great sauce. Definitely pick it up. If you guys are by Giant Tiger or the nutrition store, give it a try.